Well. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Blue King Crab's gaming channel. Where today we're going to be working on this. This is a card kit that I got off Thingiverse that I'm probably going to be putting into this year's Christmas cards. But we're going to test this out to see how it all goes together. Does it go together nicely? All that kind of good stuff. But I got my trusty pliers here that I've been using for quite a while. And we'll just dive right into it. But yeah, I got this off Thingiverse. You can just search. What's a card kit, and it should pop right up for you. I think it's kind of cool though to be able to like make a kit and you know, take it all apart like this. I think it's kind of cool. I hope it goes together easily and not too hard. But we'll find that out real quick, right here, right now. So we'll put the first piece in here. We'll put it just inside of there. Oh, look at that! Yeah, that goes in there nicely, and it's pretty firm too. So once you put it in there, it ain't going nowhere. That's exactly what I wanted to see. The people I'm giving these to, most of them probably won't have snips like I do, but they'll have scissors or whatever that they could do just fine with that. Alright. Coming together. You got two little legs. I think we're going to do the antlers first. What do you think? I think it's a good idea. Make sure we don't want to chip off his ears. So we put this piece in here. By the way, I'm guessing that this is what I do. I mean, it looks right. Oh, this one's a little... That one's a little tough. That's good enough, though. Alright, but we're getting a deer. There's a deer emerging from all of this chaos. I also just really like kits. I like model kits. I like putting stuff together like this. It's fun. It's therapeutic, you know what I mean? Let's get both antlers out before we go all the way in. Make sure we don't lose that piece. Make sure we get that piece in there. There we go. Got both antlers. See what the antlers look like on this guy. See, that's a pretty small, tight area right there. Oh no, that goes in there pretty good. Oh yeah, that one went in real nice. Huh. It's looking like a real deer. Reindeer. Right, let's get these legs out. Let's get the front legs out first. I don't know if there's actually like a... This one needs to go here and that one needs to go there. I'm not too sure, but we'll just go with what we got. Oh, no, that one's what we cut. Yeah, simple, easy video today. Just putting this little 3D print together, testing it out, kind of letting you guys go through the journey with me. See how it works. Looks you know, see how it goes together. If it goes together nicely. I hope these feet are all the same. It could be really awkward if I oh, one's a front and one's a back. Oh my. Oh, can I get this off even? Oh. Yeah, I got it off. So I'm assuming this goes to the back. Okay. Alright. I hope that's correct. I don't know. I think that's how deer legs look. I don't know. Do they got a beefier part in the back or the front? So we might need some direction here. I think it goes like this, because look, this got the booty cheeks. You see that? The booty cheeks on this side? So let's put the booty cheeks in the back. Maybe that looks a little bit better. Let's go with that. Let's go with that. I don't know. Let's cut off this little part here. So might need to put directions in here because I'm the one that made it and I don't even know. So All right, not bad. Let's put the front one in the front here. Again, I don't actually know if that's correct, but we're just guessing. Gotta put the booty cheeks in the back. Yeah, I think those booty cheeks is where it goes. Well, there it is. Look at that. Oh, did I break this? Oh. Kind of broke it a little bit, but that's all right. We'll be all right. There we go. There we go. Back together. Look at that. Just a nice little card thing that you can put inside. Make sure before you throw this away, cut that too. You know, say the sea turtles, all that whatnot. But yeah, I hope everybody liked this video. Short, easy, simple. Just a little bitty, you know, quick little gift that you could probably do if you have a 3D printer at home that you can slip inside of your Christmas cards or holiday cards or whatever you celebrate. Or if you just want to make a bunch of deers. A little bunch of reindeers. Those are cool too. Those are cool too. So, till the next video, I will see you guys all later. Peace.